What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Bitcoin Craig here. Bitcoin Craig. Early in the morning, having a party up in BitMEX. Looking to cash in my first. Let me see now. 6:30 in the morning. 6:30 in the morning. I'm looking forward to today. Got woken up by my alerts. I've set up alerts to alert me when the price drops below a certain point. So I had a reasonably good night's sleep. That's why I love alerts. And it started alerting me around 6 a.m. And I jumped myself up and I was quite excited to see what's happening over here. Okay, so we back down, we come back down from 8,000. I'm looking to make an entry at 7.9, and I'm looking to scalp a nice little profit for myself. My first profit for the day of about 7 G's, right? 7,000 Rand. So let me just try to catch this wave. I want to catch it right there. Like going fishing for Bitcoin. Right? So I want to catch it right there and I want to ride it up to about 8,000. All right, 15% leverage, not going too crazy. Because BitMEX is dangerous, folks. It is not for the weak-handed. It is certainly not for the weak of mind. It is certainly not for people that are scared. Because like I always say, scared money don't make no money. Scared money never ever made money, right? If you're scared, definitely do not consider BitMEX. Guys, I'm out. I want to catch this wave. I'll let you know how it goes. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy it with me. This is super fun. This is something else. I love it. I mean, can you imagine making 7,000 Rand first thing in the morning? 1 hour later, you're catching the next ride up. You're making another 5,000. An hour later, you're catching it up again. Meanwhile, on the side, you've got some long orders that are taking 2 or 3 days to fulfill, and those are the big fish. That's the 100,000, 200,000 per trade. All right. So this is super fun, guys. Get a hold of me. I've got amazing opportunities in the space of crypto. It's the bestest thing that has happened to us in a while. I'm talking about people. This is financial freedom 2.0, 3.0. This is personal freedom 3.0. You can hear I'm excited. I'm over the top. I'm overwhelmed. I myself. So we're pumping up the jam, guys. We're pumping up the jam. Just waiting to catch that fish. As soon as it lands, I'm in like a flip and riding that wave all the way up. All right, guys. So I'll catch you later. Let you know how it goes. Have a great day.